I'm getting stressed out now. This is not good. I don't know what to get him.
I'm on the struggle bus right now. I literally can't find anything.
Okay. Hey guys. Today we are going shopping, not for ourselves, but for each other.
Oh.
I think.
Wait, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What do you mean? Actually, I just told you. I mean, if you really want to buy stuff for yourself, you can, but you also have to get something for me. I mean, I'm getting something for you, so it's even. No, you're only shopping for me. Yeah.
Put my glasses in sport mode.
Today we're shopping for each other's outfits, and we're gonna see who knows who better. I guess we're going to H&M, and...
Am I trying to get something you would normally wear, or...?
Yeah, like my style.
Oh, well, that's easy.
Excuse me.
So, like, just anything that's not cool.
You're wearing an actual t-shirt. Let's go.
Let's go! I am so excited!
Today it is about 90 degrees outside, and I have chosen to wear jeans. So that's how it's going. The light in here is literally blinding, but we are at H&M. Our budget is $50, so it's gonna be kind of hard to find an outfit under or exactly at $50, but it is a challenge, so.
Let's get into it. So I'm gonna just walk around the store and see what's kind of going on, and then decide what kind of look to go for her. So hopefully I find something good. I literally have no clue what to do because everything I find is like not the right size. So
Matthew has thick thighs, as he calls them, and so it's gonna be hard to find bottoms for him. So that's a challenge within its own. They all have like, I feel like men's jeans are mostly skinny jeans, and they don't have a lot of flex to them, especially in H&M. I feel like these are definitely Matthew a little bit. Now, kind of Matthew. Ooh. I don't know if you would wear this, but this is actually kind of cool. Wait a minute. We could do a little like pant and shirt look.
I'm on the struggle bus right now. I literally can't find anything. Comment below. Good luck, Matt. I need it. Okay, so I found two things. I found these pants that are her size, and then this cropped button down. And I was gonna go with like this brown dress and like put the button down beneath it, but they don't have a medium. So they have a white. So I'm gonna see what that looks like with this blue shirt I found.
I really like this. You can't really tell the color on here, but it's too small. Sale section. This is where I belong. Let's get in this so we can stand out amongst the rest. I think I found his shirt. Wait a minute. Definitely screams Matthew. That's definitely not Matthew's style. The men's section is making me realize the lack of options there for men, because I literally can't find anything. I'm getting stressed out now.
Alright, so I don't know how this is gonna look, but I think I'm gonna go for it. It took me forever to find like this little tube top thing to put under the shirt, so hopefully it doesn't look like trash, because I feel like if it doesn't fit right, it's just gonna look so bad.
They mostly just have like shorts, sweat shorts and sweatshirts here. And I don't want to get something that basic for him, and I don't know what to do. There's kind of a limited selection in this H&M. I think I may have found something. It's this black shirt jacket. It's like a denim black, kind of worn down. I just don't know what to pair it with. Right now I'm looking for a basic white t-shirt in H&M, and I cannot find his size anywhere. There's so many white t-shirts and there's no mediums. So I'm just stressing out, but that's okay.
So I just checked out and I'm really hoping that this works. It came to like just under $48, so I didn't go over, which is good.
So I've been here for an hour, but I think I finally figured out what I'm getting him, but it's not what I wanted to get him because what I wanted to get him would have been over my price range. So this is what I'm getting him. These pants, not shirt. I forgot to mention this, but I paid around $63, so I actually went over without really knowing it. So
It took her like 20 minutes longer than I did to check out.
Just gonna eat his donut. Got our bags. Okay, so we each have our bags to give to each other.
Yeah, we do.
And we're gonna try them on at the same time and then come out and see what they look like. We're kind of nervous, but bye.
Okay, let's look and see what I got. Oh wow, I kind of went the same vibe with the pants. We have two different shirts. Okay.
I'm about to see what Matthew got for me. I'm really nervous. I'm actually more nervous to see if he would like the stuff that I got for him. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm just gonna set this here. Although, ooh, I don't want you to see me change. Wait a minute, I'm gonna set it like this. Like this.
We like literally almost did the same outfits. Very similar. I'm gonna go off camera here.
I'm gonna set it like this. Like this.
I actually like these a lot. They're just so thick. Oh, watch out.
No way. Okay. Oh wait. So far we have these pants. Hold on.
Okay, what size is this? I'll put the medium on. I don't know what vibe she wants. My nipples are a little out. I don't want to get you demonetized, but they're out and about. Okay, let's do a little review here. I like it. I like the pants. They're pretty cool. I feel like it would look better with the black shirt, but I don't know if I should do like the oversized shirt vibe.
Okay, I'm nervous. I had to run out to get scissors to cut these apart, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. I feel like he wanted the white, but that was not gonna happen because I'm not wearing anything under this. Oh my goodness, I look like trash, like an absolute trash can. I was talking about my hair, by the way, not the actual outfit. I'm not that mean.
Okay, so I have the oversized shirt. I don't know. I'll put them both on. Should I wear the white shirt or the black shirt? Okay, so she said to do the black one. Kind of works with the oversized shirt. I like these pants.
Are you ready? Wait, should we like close our eyes and then like turn around?
I'm filming you. The camera's
I'm filming you too.
Okay, ready?
Wait. Where are you?
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I knew the pants were not gonna fit right.
That's not that bad. The shirt is really big, but they didn't have a large or a medium or a small.
Yeah, I saw that.
I think it's just, this is a little bit tight right here. I mean, it's not bad. I think it's just like the fit of it is interesting.
Yeah, I was hoping the pants wouldn't be like that.
I see your vision though.
I thought they were more like just flared at the bottom.
Yeah, do you see like right here, it's like really baggy.
Yeah,
I don't know, it
like
just looks like
weird.
parachute pants.
Yeah, it's just not it.
No. What do you think about yours?
I like the pants.
Do they fit okay? Oh, shoot.
Bust out.
Busted.
Oh, no, they fit.
Okay. I like the pattern and I like the flare. I think it's just like this part to this part.
I thought it would fit a lot different. Like, I thought the shirt would be like more cropped, and so that way it would be like.
Oh, this shirt. Yeah, this is pretty long for like the pants.
Yeah, the pants are very high-waisted.
I know. If I pull them down, then it gives me a long crotch and it's awkward.
Well, there's a gift receipt, so.
Yeah, same.
What?
I did get him a white shirt.
I know.
That's a
I
medium.
tried it on.
Is it bad? Is
No,
it like
it's fine.
see-through?
Just every white shirt shows my nippies, so I don't
that's
want to
a problem.
demonetize you.
Gotcha.
So I like these
That's okay.
pants.
I think they look cool. Like, are they stretchy or are they kind of stiff though?
Really stretchy.
That's good. What do you rate your outfit out of 10?
I like the pants. I like the idea. I'd say a 7 because like I would wear it like 7.5. I don't know, maybe an 8.
Final verdict. You can be harsh, especially like think about your style and like what you wear
This
now
is what I
and
would
fit.
wear. So I'd say like a 7.8.
Okay, that's a good score. I gotta look at myself one
Also
more time.
turn the hall light on because you're like
Oh.
dark.
Okay, so I like the shirt. I like that it's cropped. And I feel like it's something that I would wear, but with something else. I like the bandeau top. It is a little snug, but I feel like it's better to be snug than big when it's like a strapless top. So I like the top part. The bottom part, it just makes me look like baggy. When I looked at the pants
aren't the right fit.
No.
Like the right style.
Like, I think the style is almost there, but it's just like this part. All together, I think I would rate it like a 5. But if I would rate the pieces separately, I think the top half would be like an 8, 8.5, and the bottom half would be like a 4 or 3.
Yeah.
So like a 5.
Okay.
I think you did a good job with like style. Is that what I actually look like in real life? Okay, so thank you for shopping with me and doing this video with me. It went well. It was fun. I feel like it was a good challenge and it was really difficult.
Everything was like sold out that I wanted to get.
Literally
Or
same.
there's like one of everything. I was like, oh, this is so cool. And then it was like an extra large.
Yeah, same here. But maybe we'll do this again. Maybe we'll do it with a different store and a bigger budget so it's easier for us to find things for each other. So yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week.
Subscribe.
And-
Please. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.